Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to share this deal with you guys using Rakuten online. We are going to be doing an online Walgreens haul. So we are going to be getting some completely free King C Gillette razors, refills, beard wash, you name it. And it's going to wind up being a $13 moneymaker, which is absolutely amazing. So here is a great way to get a completely free gift for a great guy in your life. Knock him off your list so you don't have to worry about buying him a Christmas present. And of course, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. So as I bring you guys even more deals for the holidays, gift ideas, any way that you guys can save, you'll be notified and you can take advantage as well. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So Rakuten is a website that when you shop online, you're going to get cash back. So for anyone who likes to do online hauls for Walgreens, anything like that, you may as well shop through Rakuten. There's thousands and thousands of stores to choose from. And when you sign up with the link in the description box, you will get $30 cash back when you spend $30. So a free $30. Now the $30 has to be spent, it's New Year's only, before taxes, shipping, things like that. So $30 cash out of pocket. A lot of people ask as well, they'll place their order and they wonder how long it'll take for the $30 to hit their account. It's not instantaneous because a lot of times stores will be on back order, they'll cancel your order, something like that. So once the store approves your order, fills the order and ships it, then you should see the $30 cash back along with whatever percent back the store gives you. So we'll go over that in just a second. So what you can do is when you go onto the website, let's switch over to that now. Okay, so now we are on the Rakuten website. You can search whatever stores you want. They also have a ton of stores right here giving back 3 times the cash back. So if you want to shop at Adam and Eve, you're going to get back 15% cash back, which is amazing. So you can search for your stores that you want. Kohl's is one of them, so you can always search that. They're giving back 2%. It'll also let you know any coupons or anything available. So for this one, they have a get 20% off your order. Use code PUMPKIN20. You're also going to get the 2% cash back. So these different things do stack, which is awesome. So you can go by category down here. Macy's, 10% cash back. Adidas, start thinking about who you're going to be purchasing for any holiday gifts and see when is the best time to grab those gifts. It may be Black Friday, it may be now because a lot of stores are doing Black Friday a little early. I know Walmart is doing some sales on November 4th, November 7th. There's 2 other dates as well. So stay tuned. I will keep you guys, of course, super updated. And Disney, up to $15 cash back, which is amazing. So let's go back to the deal and see what we're going to put together for Walgreens. So for Walgreens, what you're going to do is you're going to go online to Walgreens through Rakuten. These are the items that you're going to grab. 1, King C Gillette Men's Beard Trim Kit. It's $29.99. 1 men's beard oil at $12.99. 1 men's shave and edging razor for $9.99. And 1 men's 6-blade shave and edging razor with brown handle at $9.99. That'll bring your total to $62.96. And for every $20 you spend, you're going to get back 10,000 points from Walgreens rewards points, which is awesome. So once you go to Walgreens through the Rakuten website, of course, make sure you sign in. That way the digital coupons will come off and you'll be getting your points back as well. So these are the items. This is what it looks like and the price points to give you guys a nice visual. So you're going to want to make sure you have all 4 of these in your cart online. That way you can do all of the digital coupons that we have with this as well. So we're not going to be spending $62 out of pocket. That is a lot of money. We have some digital coupons that we are going to be applying. So here are the digitals. We have a $3 off for the 4-count razor cartridges, $3 off of a Gillette King C razor, $5 off of the beard trimmer, and $4 off of the beard wash. That's $15 in coupons right there. So that'll save us $15 off of our total. And this is what the digital coupons look like. So check your coupon folder, make sure you have these clipped and sent to your card. So I'll give you a second to kind of take a look at these. Make sure you're checking in your cart, and I'll show you online again exactly how it'll look. That way you can make sure that the coupons are applying and attaching and you won't have any issues checking out. Okay, so let's go to the Walgreens website through Rakuten so I can show you exactly what your cart should look like. We are going to type in Walgreens, go to shop now. This is going to bring us to the Walgreens website, but it's going through Rakuten, so they will link and know to give you the cash back. So this is what my cart looks like, okay? We have the razor blades, the razor, the beard and face wash, and the beard trimmer kit, sorry. Okay, so we're at $62.96 plus taxes. Manufacturer coupons, it actually says $16. Then you can come down here and look at what coupons are applying. So we have the $5 off for the Gillette, $3. This is the difference right here. It's $4 off of a Gillette or Venus cartridge refill. So if you clip that one will come off instead. So that's going to take off $16 right there. We'll be left to pay $51.06 out of pocket. But we are going to be getting back 30,000 points because for every 20 we spend on King C Gillette Razor, we are going to get back 10,000 points. Now, the reason why it says estimated points on this order, only 620, is because it's Saturday and this deal starts tomorrow on Sunday. So just keep that in mind. If you try to do this deal on Halloween, it's not going to work. You have to wait until Sunday, November 1st. That's when Walgreens is having the deal on the King C Gillette razors and products. So then you're going to proceed to checkout. Make sure you have all of your coupons applying. If they're not applied, make sure you go to the coupon folder, get them clipped, sent to your card so they can come off and save you a lot of money. So let's go over our totals and our final cost for this deal. Here is the final breakdown. So total is $47.96 plus taxes, and you're going to get free shipping. So this is going to ship right to your door. You don't have to pick it up at a store location or anything like that. Now, the juicy part, let's go over the rewards and what cash back we're going to get. So we're going to get back 30,000 points because we spent over $60 on King C Gillette products. And remember, at Walgreens next week, they're doing when you spend 20, you'll get 10,000 points back each. We're also getting 3% back from Rakuten. That'll give us back about $1.45. And if you're a new user and you use my link below in the description box, you're going to also get back another $30 cash back. So our final cost is going to be free and a $13.49 moneymaker. You will get back the cash. Rakuten sends you a check 4 times a year. So once a quarter, they'll gather up all the cash back that you got, and then they will mail you a check, or they can direct deposit it to your PayPal, which is what I personally have set up. That way I don't have to worry about the check getting lost in the mail or taking too much time from shipping issues, things like that. So your final cost as far as cash is concerned, you're going to be paying $51.06 out of pocket, including taxes, everything, the whole 9 yards. And you're going to be getting back $31.45 cash. So your final cost for all 4 of those items is going to be about $19.61. That includes taxes and everything. And again, it ships right to your door. And that is for 4 really nice products. So that's about $4.90 per item. And that beard trimmer alone was $29.99. So it is still an amazing, amazing deal. Gets you a lot of points that you can use for future transactions at Walgreens. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment. If you like the deals, smash that like button for me. It helps my channel so much. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys get this amazing deal. If you do, comment below. Let me know that you got some great deals through Rakuten. Thank you and have a good day.